Hey there, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative, and today I want to go over just a simple fix that you can do to your home HVAC or AC outside unit. And on the refrigeration lines for these units, there is insulation on the high pressure side of the refrigerant lines. And in this case, we wanted to show you on this particular unit how this insulation is cracked and weathered, and you can see there how it just almost falls apart, and down here pieces of it are actually missing. So we're going to get started and show you how to remove the existing insulation. And you want to turn the we recommend turning the unit off, and I've turned it off at the main breaker inside of this home. And you want to be careful when you're removing this insulation, because you don't want to nick this refrigeration line, and you want to be mindful of this wire that's wrapped around this insulation and make sure that you don't damage it. So let's get started and show you this easy fix. Okay, again, you're going to be mindful of this wire. There's also a smaller line underneath here. I think you can see that here. This is the low side refrigeration line for this unit. It's not wrapped with the insulation. The high side is. But this electrical wire that's on here, you want to just carefully remove it or loosen it out of the way if you can. And in this case, it doesn't appear that it has been taped down to this insulation. And incidentally, the product that we're going to be using looks like this, and it's split like this, and it actually has tape on both sides of the inside of it. And when you're ready to apply it, you cut it to size, get it in place, and then we'll remove this tape. And there's actually adhesive inside of here that will cause these two sides to adhere together. So that'll be great for this application. And you can get this stuff at your big box store. I think the last time I bought a 6-foot, I believe it's a 6-foot stick of this, it was like not even $1. So it's a very inexpensive repair if you just take your time and pay attention, to what you're doing. Well, in some cases, this old insulation, you may be able to just, peel it apart like that to get it off, and you won't even have to worry about using a knife or anything, and being concerned about cutting these wires or anything like that, because you don't want to nick, again, you don't want to nick this refrigeration line, and you don't want to cut or nick this wire. Once I have it split all the way open like this, it's easy enough to just pull it out of place by, again, loosening up the wire here a little bit and just working it. Again, don't rush yourself on this job. Just take your time and, go slow. There are some places that had tape, and we can easily, remove that tape. It just peels apart like that. And again, what's happening with the AC unit is there's cold refrigerant running in this line, and we can actually see here where this one's been sweating some. And anything that you can do to help keep that cold air in and not let it escape in these lines or in this line, since it's the high side refrigeration line, will save you money and help your unit cool better, and just over time, it'll help you overall. So it looks like down here they've got quite a bit of that tape on here, but we're able to just peel it off pretty easy because it's essentially rotten. This stuff is just falling apart. You can see here how it's pretty much rotten. Yeah, now we're able to just slide this piece down and completely off of the refrigeration line. And here's, what the old piece looks like. And it was essentially the same thing. It was split insulation. We're just kind of checking to make sure that there's not any, any burrs or anything going on with this refrigeration line. So at this point, we'll take our new piece of insulation and we're just going to kind of pre-fit it and cut it to length. And by that, I mean we're just temporarily going to slide it in place on the refrigeration line. We're not doing the adhesive part of it yet because, again, I want to cut this, to fit, if I can, to where it's one solid piece all the way from up here at the wall, where it goes into the wall here, into the home, and where it connects down here at the connection to the HVAC unit outside of the home. So I see there that that's pretty good. And then I've got another probably 6 inches here. So I'm going to drop back over here and cut this insulation. I've just got some big, like, garden shears here that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to cut it straight across. That's all I'm going to do. So again, we're checking our wires, making sure that nothing is, crimped that shouldn't be, or pinched. You don't want to mess up any of your wiring or any of the other tubing here. And I think that'll probably be pretty good. And then down here on the bottom, I'm just going to grab this piece and see if I can bend it, into place down here on the bottom. And that looks like it might actually be a little bit long. So I'm going to undo it, and I'm going to cut off just a little bit more of the piece. Just about maybe an inch is all I cut off. And we're going to see how that fits, if that's, any better. If you don't like the way the store label looks on there, you can maybe peel that off, or turn it to where it's down and you can't see it. It looks like I'm going to be able to get that off, though. I just didn't want to have to look at that. So now it looks like we're going to be able to get that on there. So I'm going to slowly and gently just come in here and open this up a little bit and pull this tape off that's underneath the adhesive on both sides of this, and stick it together. Start to stick it together like that. And I'm just going to kind of pull it and work it as I go. And I'm getting it to, seal together as I pull the pieces of tape off. Again, we're working around these wires that are part of the unit. I don't want to, yank on or pull on those unnecessarily. So we're just going to pull our 2 pieces of tape off or out from under those wires and kind of pull it as we go here. And then just finish removing those all the way up. And this is, it's turning into a really nice, secure fit. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it. And what I'm doing as I remove the tape, I'm just going in and pinching it together and like going all the way up as I go, and making sure that it's secure all the way around that refrigeration line. Need a little slack in my wire, so I'm going to just pull that up like that so I can kind of finagle these pieces of tape off of the adhesive. And you can even slide this stuff around to a degree. You can see what I've done there. I've just turned it, and then I'm just going to pull those pieces of tape off, and then I'm going to gently squeeze that together, and then I'm going to turn that back around to where the sealed side is running underneath this refrigeration line. And then I'm going to poke that up in the wall here a little bit. And we've got another video that I'll show you if you want to check out on our channel, how you should fill areas like this and what you should use to fill them with. So then we're going to come back and make sure that our wire is not pinched or nicked or anything, and kind of place it back where it was. And what you can even do is come back with some tape, line set tape, and go around this in a couple of places, which we'll probably do. I just don't have any of it handy with me today, but we'll come back and do that and make sure that this is held in place. So hopefully this helps everyone. Let us know if you like this simple video, how to fix, and leave some comments or suggestions down below in the comment section. We'd appreciate it if you'd like the video. Share it with your friends and family. That would really help out our channel. And maybe even think about subscribing. This has been Dawn with the DIY Collaborative. Thanks.